I dropped my 2020 FX Cruiser on the dock from the lift, a quarter-size dent. With NanoXcel2 technology, how should I repair? Oh, wow, that sucks. Oh, I'm sorry to hear that, Kimmy. It's going to be like regular fiberglass repair. It really is. And then any fiberglass boat repair place, there's nothing special about it. It's fiberglass. NanoXcel2 is just the bonding. It's just the bonding activating chemical that they use. It's going to be a regular fiberglass repair, and then you're going to have them sand, a periphery, and then they're going to have to blend paint. It's a 3-stage paint. It's a 3-stage paint. Primer, base, clear, and they're going to have to blend it really well. I'm really sorry to hear that. That sucks. No one likes to hear that. But it's a very basic fiberglass repair. And believe it or not, so's CM Tech. The difference is that instead of paint, you get an acrylic. You blend in the acrylic, and then you paint. Now here's the problem. This isn't painted. Nothing, no Sea-Doo is painted. Understand my words. They're not painted. One more time, it's not painted. Now, I took a real nice thumb-sized chunk out of the bow of our Wake Pro 230 3 years ago. And I had it fixed, and Sea-Doo recommended that I painted, no joke, the entire hull so that it would blend. Well, thankfully, my boat guy, he's like, listen, I can just tint the acrylic like as much as humanly possible. It's not going to be perfect, but it'll work. Well, if you guys remember those 2018, 2019 Wake Pros, they had like a pearl green material. Well, if you got down and with a flashlight and looked at it, it was a solid green little like quarter-size patch with a little bit of a halo, like a yellowish halo around it. But other than that, you couldn't tell. And I put all sorts of miles on that. So it worked. All right.
Hey guys, thanks for hanging out. This clip was taken from our weekly podcast that we record here every Sunday night at 8 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. If you want to watch the whole video, you can go to the Watercraft Journal's YouTube channel, go to playlists, and then click on live sessions. You're going to see it there. Otherwise, go ahead and leave a like, a comment, and definitely subscribe to the channel. It helps us grow. And again, thanks again for watching our videos, and we hope to see you soon.